Meet the new Dow Diamond and Maintenance, Repair, and Operations buildings that will be built to support the Path to Zero site expansion in Fort Saskatchewan. With a harmonious blend of form and function, these new workspaces will support Dow's vision for employee satisfaction and engagement, and observe the Dow Facilities for All design guidelines. Located on Dow's 25-acre plot just off Highway 15 before the site's east gate, these new buildings will be a testament to Dow's long-standing presence in industry and the local community, and will illustrate our focus on employee experience. LEED Silver and carbon-neutral philosophies have informed our design paths. We aim to promote sustainable and exemplary design with concepts guided by the notion that these buildings will act as both a gateway and a beacon for our site, while also serving as a hub for staff to work, train, and gather on site. The 145,000 square foot Maintenance, Repair, and Operations, or MRO building, will support current and future activities at the Fort. Its location makes it easy to access off Highway 15, and it is centrally located for material distribution across the site. The MRO office area will support 16 staff. There will be dedicated racking, turnaround, large laydown, furnace tube, motor and rotor storage bays. Best practices from Dow sites, Gumbo and Lone Star have been incorporated into the design.
The Diamond Center will be a focal point for the site. Purpose-built spaces will be attuned to staff and visitor needs. The unique building shape will allow for interesting breakout, small area focus, and collaboration spaces aligned with the Dow Workplace 10 guidelines. The Diamond will have ample meeting room space and a large main floor functional congregation space for meeting and dining, with a terrace where summer gatherings can be hosted. The buildings will provide barrier-free, inclusive, and equitable experiences for all. The interior finishes of the Dow Diamond and MRO building reflect the structure's presence within the Alberta prairie landscape. Textural, neutral-toned materials will be used for the overarching palette, creating a base for elements of contrast in key areas. Transition from light to dark and neutral to colorful finishes create implied boundaries between circulation and amenity space, workspace, and gathering space. Dow's signature red is used to define portals into specialty amenities, including the canteen and community hub.
The MRO and the Diamond Center will complement each other while prioritizing and showcasing the diamond, which is a rhombus or diamond in shape, paying homage to the iconic Dow logo. The building's location and orientation complement our Alberta landscape and will offer occupants and visitors panoramic prairie sky views and sightlines across the operational site. From the northwest to the new poly plants, and from the northeast to the new cracker, the existing cracker, and the new air separation and hydrogen plant assets. As the doors of the new building swing open, they will symbolize more than just an entry into a physical space. The high quality of these buildings will not only be representative of the people who work in them, but also of Dow's commitment to net zero growth and transformation of the Fort Saskatchewan site.